Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at a wireless gaming headset with RGB lighting and a detachable microphone. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're taking a look at the Jeecoo G80 wireless gaming headset. And this gaming headset, let me just tell you guys, is flooded with so many different features. It does offer RGB lighting. It has a detachable noise canceling microphone that you can easily detach. You know, it has low latency. It also has RGB lighting that you can actually configure and change, which is really neat with this gaming headset. This gaming headset is also compatible with many different devices. You know, you can use this on PS4, PS5, laptops, computers, or different kind of setups. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description of this video, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this gaming headset. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Here is the packaging of the Jeecoo G80 wireless gaming headset. And on the side of the box, we have a few specifications and details about these headphones. But now, let's get cracking inside this box. Right here is our user manual, and this user manual is pretty extensive, but it shows you all the different uses and different functionalities that these headphones have. Let's proceed with unwrapping this bubble wrap. Inside this smaller bag, we have our accessories. This right here is our USB transmitter. We also get included with a removable microphone that you can detach. We have a USB Type-C charging cable. They also included a 3.5mm audio cable. And lastly, we have the main highlight of the video, which is the headset. You can see this headset has a lot of different buttons and functionalities that you can configure at any given time. Here is everything that's included with the packaging. Let's now proceed with testing and demonstrating these headphones. But before we demonstrate that, I do want to take a look at some of the different features that these headphones have. So you guys can see we have all our different buttons right here where our power on and off, volume up, our mute button for the microphone itself, our volume down button. We also have our USB-C port for charging these headphones up. We have a 3.5mm audio jack for these headphones, so if you wanted to, you can actually plug in this aux cable that they included and actually utilize these headphones, you know, as long as you want. And then additionally, we have our mic port right here. All you gotta do is remove this nice protector that they added and you plug in our detachable microphone right there. So overall, these headphones are equipped with a lot of different features. And you are able to extend the headphones, you know, extend it to how far you need it to, depending on your head size and everything. So it's really nice to see all these different configurations with it. Let me now actually power on these headphones. So in order to power it on, you just gotta click on this power button, hold down for 3 seconds. And you're gonna hear it made a beeping noise and lit up. And you can actually see we have our RGB lighting configured and on with these headphones as of now, which looks really nice. But let's say if you actually wanted to turn off that RGB lighting, all you have to do is click on this button right here. 1 second. And you can see now the RGB lighting stopped, and in order to turn it back on, click it again, and now the RGB lighting is back on. But now let me actually attach that detachable microphone. So let me plug this in right here. Just gonna plug it in. There we go. And now our microphone is attached. And make sure when you do put these headphones on to put your left and right side on correctly. And there is indications letting you know which side is which. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna do some adjustments, move the mic off to the side, closer to my mouth there, boom. So this is how the gaming headsets actually looks. Look at that, man. With that white and gray look, it just looks very stylish. I really do love the simplistic design that they went with these headphones. And then with that RGB lighting, it just looks really nice, honestly. But let me test out the sound quality. And what I'm going to do is actually plug in our USB plug into the laptop here. I'm just going to plug it in right here, and it looks like it's connected. So now what I'm going to do is actually start by playing a song so we can test out the sound quality of these headphones. And these headphones are equipped with 7.1 surround sound, which is really nice. Let's get to, like, you know, the bass part of the song. I just want to see how the sound quality is. Ooh, that bass though. So far, sound quality is very clear, very nice. The song's really relaxing, kind of chill. I like it. Ooh. Yeah, the bass is actually pretty strong with these headphones though. I can actually heal the bass, which is good. Wow. Let me give you guys a sound sample. I'm really impressed though. So yes, sound quality with these headphones is immaculate. You know, if I was doing gameplay or if I was in a lobby talking to my friends, I am gonna hear them very loud and clear. Or if I'm just listening to some gameplay, these headphones will sound really good for that type of material. So let me pause the music. I think you guys kind of get the point with the audio side of things. And let me put these headphones back on. I'm gonna open up Audacity, and we're gonna actually start recording the microphone that's actually built in with this detachable microphone. So let me start the recording. And right now we are listening to the detachable microphone that's built in with these headphones. How does the audio sound? You know, from what I'm looking with Audacity, it looks like it's doing a fantastic job of actually capturing my audio. I'm not seeing any jumps or what do you call it? The pulsive kind of noise you may get with, especially like with the T's and the PHs and stuff. But obviously this is something I'm gonna have to go back to and listen to just to see if it did capture it. I know some microphones are really good at eliminating that issue, but obviously with these headphones, since this is my first attempt of using it, I'm not gonna know until I listen back to this recording. I didn't configure anything, I didn't change or manipulate any of the settings, and I believe you can also mute the microphone with this button right here. Let me find it. I think it's this one. And now I think you guys should be able to mute. Yeah, you can. So the mute button does work. So if you ever needed to mute the microphone that's built in with these headphones, you can by just clicking on that mute button for the microphone. So what I'm going to do now is actually end this recording, and I'm going to actually listen back to the audio just to see if this did a good job of eliminating all the background noise you would typically get. So I just finished listening to that sound recording that we just captured, and let me just tell you, I'm really impressed with how these headphones sound. I'm going to put them on the stand right here. These headphones, man, they actually did a really decent job of actually blocking out a lot of the background noise, and it made my voice sound really professional. You know, like if you were in a game lobby talking to your mates and stuff, you know, having a really nice microphone can stand out. You don't want to be one of those people with a really crappy microphone. So overall, the microphone that is built in, or not built in, but is detachable of these headphones does do a really good job. And what I like about it is it's detachable. So if I wanted to, technically, I could plug in any other microphone with it. You know, I don't necessarily need to use that microphone that they actually supplied. And I do want to mention one thing with the 6.35mm audio jack cable. There is also a microphone built into this as well, and also I'm pretty sure these are some volume controls that you can actually manipulate. So if you're gonna plug this into your Xbox Series, you know, device, you would have to use this cable. But if you're using PS4, PS5, you can use that wireless transmission setup, I should say, with these headphones. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this Jeecoo G80 wireless gaming headphones. Well, as you guys saw with my test, these headphones are very, very versatile. There's so many different application uses. You know, even though it is a wireless headset, because you can use it wirelessly, you can also hardwire an aux cable into these headphones and use them for as long as you want. So they're very flexible with all the different things you can do with these headphones, and that is really, really nice to see. You know, they give you multiple options, and there's also a lot of different devices you can connect to these headphones. And on top of that, you know, you have a detachable microphone. If you ever needed to take it off and you don't need it, you just take it off. If you need to use it, you plug it in and you're good to go. If you did enjoy this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications on, especially if you're new. You know, leave a like on the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of gaming headset. Also, product information, specifications, and details, as always, will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you actually want to buy these headphones. Hopefully you enjoyed this new edition of tech reviews, gadgets, and more. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.